Hello, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Vlad Sarser, and I'm your mortgage broker and your loan officer. Today, I wanted to talk about things that we shouldn't do when we are buying a house. Now, I'm going to touch on tip number 6. Tip number 6 is don't fall behind on your bills. Now, it's really important that you don't fall behind on your bills prior to or while you're purchasing a house. Not just in general, but especially in that process, and really important that you don't let your bills go past 30 days late, and definitely not 60 days late. So a couple of days late, it's not a big deal. It's not going to reflect on your credit score. If you're absolutely in a tight situation and you have to prioritize which bills you're gonna pay. Make sure you pay your mortgage bills. Make sure you pay your credit card bills. Those have been reported to your credit bureaus. I don't want to say, but utility bills maybe can wait a couple of days. Make sure they don't turn off the electricity on you. But if they're not reporting on your credit report, it's not as crucial and as essential as making sure that your credit card bills, your personal loans, your car loans are paid on time. That's really it. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe button, and if you want more information, feel free to email me, text me, or call me. You can also find more information or contact me through our website, alianzainc.net, and watch the rest of the videos. There's a bunch of useful tips that you can benefit from, and I will talk to you soon. Have a blessed day.
Chappy Jack and Jupiter, lips like instant kiss.